Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see about Terraform workflow. So Terraform, it is one of the open source tool. You can use it for the provisioning of your infrastructure in any kind of cloud or any third party, any community related things. You can see tons of codes will be available in the terraform.io portal. So coming to that, we can using those codes you can create your infrastructure. So we have some workflow for the Terraform. So in this video we will see Terraform workflow. So Terraform having this work structure. So when you having the code, you need to initialize first of all. So Terraform init, and then you have to validate, and you have to plan Terraform plan, and then you have to do apply. So this is the workflow. Let's see what will do these commands. Terraform init. So when you give Terraform init, it will create hidden directory. First of all, it will create a hidden directory of .terraform in this name, and it will download the plugins into this directory. Based on your provider, based on your plugins, it will download it and it will keep in .terraform directory, and then it will create .terraform.log.hcl file. It is basically going to lock your version. So these three things will do once you initialize the Terraform. Next, Terraform validate. Once you given validation, it will check with the documentation, and based on the documentation values, you have to mention the same as it is. If you are not replacing the values as it is with the documentation, it will throw the error as a syntax. There is a syntax error, so it will show like that. Next, Terraform plan. You will uh, you will mention those resources details, what you are going to provision or you are going to configure. So once you give Terraform plan, it will show what are the resources going to create, and in Terraform apply, it will finally create those resources into your provider based on you are using which one. So for example, if you are using AWS provider, then it will create those resources into AWS cloud, or it will be Azure, GCP, Alibaba cloud. So based on your provider, it will create your resources and it will bring into live. So this is the workflow. So if you like this video, give thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.